is Salsa Jagadita from Diploma for Accounting Study Program, Faculty of Economic, Yogyakarta State University.
After your graduation, what is job do you want?
I want to become a public accountant.
What is a public accountant?
You should know. Let's watch this video. Every public institution is required to manage its finances transparently. For this reason, accounting for the public sector is used as means of accountability to the public. Financial statements are used by public institutions to provide financial information to those who need them. What is a public accountant? Public accountants are a service profession and the results of their work are widely used by the public as an important consideration in making decisions. In Indonesia, the public accounting profession is also regulated in Law Number 5 of 2011 concerning public accounting. In Indonesia, public sector accounting generally covers several areas. There is accounting for the central government, local government, political parties, and for various foundations. Organizations in education and health such as school, college, and hospital are also included. They need public sector accounting for budget management. There are public accountants. Are there private accountants? Of course. Then what's the difference? Public sector accounting has different characteristics from private sector accounting. Public sector accounting focuses on two things. First, focus on the nature of institution, namely non-profit organizations that do not make a profit. For example, government agency. Second, focus on the purpose of the institution, namely providing service to the community in order to improve the welfare of the community. Next issue. In January 2020, according to the news published on E-News, there was a public accounting involved in the Jiwasraya case. The Ministry of Finance will impose sanctions for the public accounting firms that conduct audit and provide opinions that are not in accordance with the Code of Ethics on the Financial Statement, PT Asuransi Jiwasraya and PT Asabri. From the problems, we know that there is a Code of Ethics in the public accounting profession issued by AIPI. Principle of integrity, principle of objectivity, the principle of competence as well as an attitude of professional care and prudence, confidentiality principle, principle of professional conduct.
Why did you choose a public accountant?
The need for public accountant service user will increase in the era of globalization as one the supporting profession for business activities. The quality of financial information will be very important. In this case, the public accountant carries the public's trust to provide an opinion on the financial statement of an entity. Okay, thanks for watching. See you!